I just talked for 2 minutes, and VoiceDash turned my rambling into a perfectly polished email that my boss actually complimented. Here's what happened. I was rushing to respond to a client inquiry, but instead of typing frantically, I hit my VoiceDash shortcut and just started talking naturally. I said everything I needed to say, complete with ums and you knows and awkward pauses. But here's the crazy part. VoiceDash didn't just transcribe my work. It actually cleaned up my speech in real time, removing all those filler words and turning my scattered thoughts into professional sentences with perfect grammar and punctuation. The email appeared right in my Gmail window, ready to no copying, no pasting, no editing required. My boss replied within an hour saying it was one of the clearest client communications he'd seen. As a content creator who writes dozens of emails daily, this has completely changed my workflow. VoiceDash works across any app, Gmail, Google Docs, social media platforms, even my CRM. Stop struggling with endless typing and start speaking your content into existence. Try VoiceDash today and watch your productivity soar.